Hey everyone, welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. If you're new here, my name's Clarice, and what we do on this channel is provide easy to digest videos on different types of flooring products, whether it's a product review, a do-it-yourself guide, or we test out products to see if they're stain resistant, waterproof, water resistant, or scratch proof, dent proof, things like that. So today we're going to do a product review on Somerset Hardwood. We will go over specs and take a look at some samples. All right, so let's talk specs on Somerset Hardwood. These are overall for both solid and engineered. They are 100% made in the United States and Kentucky, and it comes in various stains in the solid and engineered versions. And there are some specs that are a little bit different for the engineered collection, which is called Solid Plus. We will come back to that a little later once we go over these general specs. In all the collections in solid and engineered, you have oak, maple, and hickory woods available. They all have matching colors and appearance so that you can mix and match the styles. If you saw something in a solid but you didn't have the budget for a solid, you can pick that same color in the engineered version to save on your budget. And the different styles, we have traditional, character, classic, and hand scraped. They all have a UV cured aluminum oxide finish, which helps make it durable and easy to clean, and they all have a 50-year warranty. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about the Solid Plus collection, which is the engineered hardwood for Somerset. So the difference with this collection is that it is 3 millimeters of sliced veneered wood, which gives the appearance of solid hardwood. And the engineered can be refinished. It can also be installed in a basement. Because it is not solid hardwood versus solid hardwood, you wouldn't want to install that in a basement. And with engineered, it can be installed anywhere in the house. It is usually a 1/2 inch thick, whereas solid hardwood is 3/4 of an inch thick. Okay guys, so the first collection we're looking at is the Somerset Color Collection. It is a wonderful display of oak hardwood. It comes in a 3/4 of an inch solid and a 1/2 inch engineered. The solid version is available in 4 different sizes: 2 1/4 of an inch, 3 1/4 inch, 4 inch, and 5 inch. The engineered comes in 3 1/4 inch and 5 inch. And they do all come in random lengths up to 6.5 feet. The color collection is pre-finished in 5 stains and has natural white oak and red oak. All right, the next collection is the Character Collection. This comes in a 3/4 of an inch solid and a 1/2 inch engineered. And the solid version comes in 3 different sizes: 3 1/4 inch, 4 inch, and 5 inch. The engineered version comes in 2 sizes: 3 1/4 and 5 inch. These both are available in random lengths up to 6.5 feet. And the Character Collection does get its name from the natural knots and markings and variations in grain and color that will add real character to your space. All right, we are going to take a look at the Classic Collection. This is another oak hardwood available in a 3/4 inch solid and a 1/2 inch engineered. The solid version is available in a 2 1/4 inch and a 3 1/4 inch, and the engineered version is available in a 3 1/4 inch and 5 inch with random lengths up to 6.5 feet. The Classic Collection is also pre-finished in 7 stains with 1 in natural red oak. All right, the last collection is the Handcrafted Collection, which comes with a hand-scraped texture on the wood, and this is only available in a 1/2 inch engineered version. And it does have different sizes. There is a 3 1/4 of an inch, 4 inch, and 5 inch width, as well as a 6 inch and 7 inch width. So if you want a ultra wide look, go with the 6 inch or 7 inch. And if you want a mix with random pattern, choose the 3/4 of an inch, 4 inch, and 5 inch widths, and those do come packaged in the same carton. Okay, in conclusion, Somerset Hardwood generally is available in a solid version and an engineered version. And with solid wood, you want to install it by nailing or stapling, and engineered you install by nailing, stapling, gluing down, or floating it. And for more information on solid hardwood and engineered hardwood, check out our video here.